Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing awesome. In today's quick video, I'll show you how to change your team kit in eFootball mobile so you can customize your squad's look before every match that you play. So without any further delay, let's get started with the match. From the home screen, simply tap on the extra at the top. Otherwise, you can simply go to the shop option and go to the my team option as well. Here you can see the trips option. As you can see, there are currently 2 kits in my uniform settings. Here you will see your home and away kits. Just tap on the kit you want to edit. Simply tap on change or simply set a new one and you will get a new one from there. You can select from the official team kits you own. Tap to confirm and your team will now wear that uniform in matches. If you are using your dream team, the kit will depend on the base team you pick. You can always change your base team to unlock different kit and you can play as the home kit or away kit as you wish. And that's it guys. That's how you can change your kit in eFootball mobile. Simple, but make sure matches feel fresh. And if this video was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe for more eFootball mobile tips. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.